time and start email marketing all over again, I would have joined with this system most likely. Let me tell you why. Because you can earn as you learn. Okay, now one of the nice things about the earn as you learn program is I kind of put a little coin phrase it, because a lot of people don't make money. A lot of people spend a lot of money in the beginning trying to learn how everything works. They end up buying a lot of different packages. They buy a lot of different programs. They buy ebooks. They buy all kind of things trying to learn. And and even pay. You're 1 or 2 years in, for a person to come into this business and to make money within the first month. I mean, without a coach, without someone actually I'll tell you one thing: traffic should come from every place, all over the place. But in my case, I like free traffic. That's what I do. But paying for traffic is no problem. If you can't get free traffic, pay for the traffic. When it comes to a business like WCC, because it's residual and it has high ticket and it's low barrier entry fee. Okay, doesn't get better than that, guys. I'm telling you. Okay, don't put all of your confidence in any brand or any one company. Okay, take that lesson from from what happened with Traffic Monsoon. I think there was hundreds of thousands of people inside Traffic Monsoon. Don't take your whole existence, your whole business, and wrap it around one particular thing. Have multiple ways to get traffic. Have multiple ways. And let me tell you, all of this stuff that I'm saying is hard to do. It's not easy. And it takes years to accomplish. And even then, most people will fail. I'm just being honest, okay? Now, Michael, what are you saying? I'm saying all that to say this is why WCC is good for you. Because it takes all of the headaches out, When you click the link below this video and you put your email in and you go to the next page, you will hear Devon speak of these very same things of how he does everything for you. Okay? That's the key. Let me check my levels. Study and learn, and that will always help your craft. And number 3, and this is the most important thing, grow a list. Start building right now an email list if you haven't. Okay, and you'll find a link below that'll take care of all that stuff. When it comes to these type of things, a 10-20 minute video won't do it justice. You really need to know how to learn it from the pros. Again, you'll find a link below so you can start building your email list, guys. It doesn't take a lot. It just takes that little bit of effort to get started, and then from there everything is like a snowball. It starts off small, and then at the end you have this huge list of people that are following you and listening to what you have to say and those type of things. So it really is something that if I could go back in time, I would definitely do that over again. I would have started growing my list from the very day that I came online. So yeah, you find a link below, guys, if you want to start growing your list. It's very, very important. It's like the lifeline of your business. It is definitely going to improve your bottom line. So with that, guys, Michael Internet Pro, click the link below. I'm out.